Alright guys, here is my 42-inch Hampton-Bay Littleton ceiling fan that I have in my room. I installed this 40 minutes ago and now I'm going to review it. So yeah, everything is working. The light is an incandescent light. I put an incandescent light in there because it didn't come with a light bulb for some reason. So, yep, here is the looks without the light, you know, standard. Here is the fan on low speed. Alright, here it is on low speed, and it's actually, I can actually feel a breeze from it. I'm not going to say, but I'm not going to be like completely capping here, but I can actually feel some air coming out of the fan. Would you look at that? As you can see, the top view. And it's actually nice and quiet, I'm not gonna lie. It does blow some good air. Oh, that's the light. Medium. Yeah, not bad at all. This is not a bad fan at all. It's quiet. It's moving air. It's not a bad fan at all for a cheap hugger fan. By the way, the price is ridiculous. This is $60. Gotta be kidding me. $60 for a cheap hugger fan, and it's blowing a lot of air for some reason. Here is high speed. Totally quiet. And it's a little rattly, too. There we go. Blowing some air. Top view. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.